Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to make another project which is called a laser security system. So to make this project we need a laser module, a LDR module, a Arduino with a breadboard, a buzzer, a 9-volt battery and few wires. So let's start the process. We'll fix 3 wires to the LDR module. We'll connect the VCC of the LDR module to the 5 volt of the Arduino. And the ground pin of the LDR is connected to the ground pin in the Arduino. And the digital pin of the LDR is connected to the 6th pin of the Arduino. Once you have connected this, make sure you paste it on the surface where it stands stiff. Once you have connected the LDR module, let's connect the laser module. For this, we need 2 wires. One we should fix on the ground, another we should fix to the signal pin, so that there is constant laser falling on the LDR. Once you have connected this, connect the ground pin of the laser module to the ground of the Arduino and the signal pin to the 5 volt. Once you have connected this, fix this laser module somewhere right. Okay. Once you have done this, take a buzzer, fix it somewhere around the Arduino where you want it. Once you have fixed this, connect the positive of the buzzer, that is the long pin of the buzzer, to any connect the long pin of the buzzer to the 4th pin of the Arduino, and the short pin, which is the ground pin of the buzzer, to the ground pin of the Arduino. Once you have fixed it, your circuit should look like this. Once you have fixed this, your circuit should look like this. So take a 9-volt battery, connect the negative of the buzzer to the ground, connect the negative of the battery to the ground and the positive of the battery to the V-in. So when there is no laser falling on the LDR, the buzzer is being arranged. When the laser falls on the LDR, the buzzer stops. So whenever some obstacle comes near the laser, the buzzer will turn on. Once the obstacle moves, the buzzer will turn off, indicating there is an obstacle inside the parameter. Thank you.